All right, bringing another video. Today, we're going to be talking about road trip essentials for the Tesla and for any car for that matter for most of these items. And I'll have links below in the description for all the items we talk about. And as well as we will be making this a series, so I will go over each item in a separate video. So we'll talk about each one and you can check them out for your next road trip. So, what's in the front? Okay, so the first item we have today is Tesla pucks. This is very specific to Tesla, but this is definitely something that you're going to need on a road trip for changing a tire or plugging a tire, repairing a tire if needed. That is definitely going to be something that you need. Also, if you take it to a shop, you will need the Tesla pucks as well. So if anything comes up with a tire repair or something like that where you need the shop to be able to lift the vehicle and change that tire or whatever it may be, you're going to need these Tesla pucks. So again, this is very specific to Tesla, but what you do is you take this puck and at the corner of the car, you'll see underneath my nice clean car here, you have a little hole where this Tesla puck will go into and creates a jack point where you can lift the vehicle. So you definitely need this if you're going to use a jack, a scissor jack or something like that, or if you're going to take it to the shop, they're going to need these little Tesla pucks to jack up or lift the entire car. So I got these Tesla pucks on Amazon. So it actually comes with a set of 4 Tesla pucks in the bag. So I definitely would recommend getting a set like this. You can use this not only for road trips, of course, but anytime you take your car into service, say to get a tire changed or anything like that, you can use those for that situation. So definitely something you want to have on hand for a Tesla. And these work with any of the Teslas right now, except for possibly the Roadster. I don't know about the Roadster, but definitely for the 3Y, S, and X. So that's it for this video. Just a quick one on the Tesla pucks. Like I said, we are going to have a series of other items that you want to have for road trips. So definitely stay tuned. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.